Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to shoot 200 megapixel ultra high resolution photos on Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! Now, this is very simple. All you want to do is simply open your camera application. And you will notice that by default we're actually taking pictures in 12 megapixels. So we can easily switch it to 200. And now we are taking much better photos. It's pretty important to note that taking photos in this resolution takes a long time since it is a very large photo. Just for now I will do two photos, one in 200 and one in 1200 megapixels. And now if I will put my phone down and I will open gallery, this is the 12 megapicture photo. If we go to details, we'll notice that it's 1.83 megabytes with 300 by 400 pixels wide. And if we go to the next photo, we can see that it's larger with 13 megabytes in size and more than 1200. Wait, what? Yeah, 12. Oh my god, that's a lot of pixels. So as you can see, taking photos in 200 megapixels does give a better resolution. As you can see, we can just zoom in pretty independently to see more detail. But it does take a very while to do a very nice photo, since as you can see it is very easy to lose focus. But as you can see, even this looks pretty good, and this is the size of a normal photo. So yeah, but as you can see, it's very easy to do, and I hope that this video helped you to very easily and conveniently use the nice picture that you can have and can shoot on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.